Okay, this is FunOS. We're in the live CD right now. We're going to be installing. And this is based on Ubuntu LTS version. And it is using the Ubuntu Ubiquity installer. So this will probably look familiar to any of you who have used Ubuntu in the past. It does use the, FunOS does use the JWM window manager, which is a lightweight interface, which allows you to use it on systems with low RAM or, older specifications. So this process is familiar, but I'm sure to most of you who have done installs before. You just go through your regional settings if you want to install third-party software for graphics and so on, which I usually will check. It's because it avoids doing extra steps later. We're going to erase the hard disk in this situation and just install everything. Once this actually starts, we get a confirmation here. Once this actually starts, we're going to speed through the installation process, as it can take, 5 to 10 minutes. So, and you may notice most Linux distros have you enter the username information at the beginning of in the first part of the install process. Some, like Fedora, I believe, do not. They have you do that after you've restarted. I'm not sure if there's any advantage or disadvantage in either method, but that's just the way some are. So we're going to speed through this a little bit here. This would normally take, as I said, 5 to 10 minutes, something like that, depending on the speed of your PC, of course. We'll get through this. Here we go. We will restart. And I'll speed this up somewhat too, just because it takes a second. If you notice, FunOS does have a little splash screen here, which some distros do not choose to do. They have the actual text going past as you start up. I kind of don't care. It's just a personal preference. Either way is fine. It doesn't matter. But it looks nice. It did a nice job with that. Here we are at the login. This is a light DM, I think, login manager. So here we are on the desktop of FunOS. And as I said, it's based on Ubuntu LTS with the snap packages removed. And it seems to be, in the few hours I've been playing with it here, it seems to be a pretty nice minimalist distribution. I wouldn't say it's specifically designed for older systems, but it certainly would work on older systems, as it uses the JWM window manager instead of an actual desktop environment. I've never used JWM before, but it seems pretty nice. It also comes with the, let's see, File Manager is the PC Man FM, which I have used before, but I don't remember what distro it was. It was a while ago. And again, this is fine. It's basic. But for someone who just wants a functional, lightweight Linux system that has an Ubuntu base and LTS support, and also uses the HWE environment, the hardware enablement environment, meaning that you get the long-term support, but with a newer kernel, so it works well on newer hardware. This is a pretty good compromise of several different sort of aspirations. So it comes with the Firefox browser. Let's take a look here at the FunOS page. So as I said, it uses a JWM window manager, comes without Snap, which is a pretty obvious decision on the part of the team that's packaging this. Snaps, for anybody that doesn't know, are sort of like Ubuntu's version of Flatpak, but it's a more proprietary system, and it's handled solely by Ubuntu, whereas Flatpak is kind of a more open situation. Snaps have somewhat of a reputation of being kind of big and a little slower than Flatpaks, and consequently, quite a lot of people sort of get a little funny about using them. But Ubuntu seems to insist upon pushing them. I guess they haven't taken the hint that people in general don't seem to be too enamored by them. Anyway, this distro has decided not to include them. So I imagine you could put them back in if you wanted to, but it comes without them by default. You can use Flatpaks if you want to. It's a minimalist design, as I said. It's using JWM for fast performance, and it does work well, as we'll see here in a second, as far as, RAM usage and so on. And it's built on the LTS kernel. And I think this one, the one I downloaded, is the FunOS 24.04.4. It's based on this Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS, Noble Numbat. Has a kernel 6.17, and the standard support ends June 2029, which is pretty cool. So let's see here. So we can see right now we're running about 300 megabytes of RAM, which is pretty good. And that's one of the advantages of running, a window manager versus a full desktop. A couple of things I also noticed in here is, I think because of the nature of the distribution, it doesn't come with a software manager, like a software store, or it doesn't appear to have an update notification in the tray anywhere. You just have to go in and do your sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade to perform updates. I already did that, so there's no updates pending. But other than that, it's very functional. I mean, there's nothing major other than those things missing, and those are kind of, ease of use things. So I wouldn't recommend this necessarily to a beginner, unless it's a beginner that wants to learn, some stuff. A lot of people who are maybe transferring over from Windows or something like that would probably be better with something like Linux Mint or Zorin OS, where it's kind of set up with that type of user in mind. This, I said, is like a little bit stripped back, so you still have things like, wallpaper. I noticed in the JWM Window Manager, which I had not used before, you can actually click anywhere, and it'll give you the menu. You can click on the Start button here, it'll give you your menu items here. And there's not a whole bunch of software installed. The basics are there, but it doesn't have a full Office suite, for example, like LibreOffice or OpenOffice or anything like that. It does have obviously a Firefox browser and some other things. You can actually go in here and change the wallpaper. We get some nice minimalist ones, which I usually like. That's nice. And let's see what we got here. There's some red ones. And then the rest of them seem to be a bunch of brightly colored ones for some reason. Wow, look at that. These are all kind of HDR looking, very colorful. Then you go from that to the minimalist ones, which is kind of odd, but hey, you can add your own, so no biggie. There is some theming, which is just kind of color combinations, and it's not anything to write home about. So you can do shades of gray, that kind of pretty pink. I'm not seeing any pink there. Oh, there we are. Yep. Let's see, gold. Yep. So you get the idea, kind of just color combinations, nothing drastic. Put it back to the default here. So all in all, having used this for a few hours, it's very, responsive. It's easy to use. It's not unintuitive. It just, maybe it's a little different from what you might be used to with another distro, being it's just a window manager rather than a full desktop. But yeah, this is a nice little distro that I hadn't really heard of, to be honest. I was just poking around on DistroWatch and I saw it. I thought, let me try this. It's actually pretty nice. I think I even prefer this a little bit to maybe something like XFCE, just because, although XFCE is a bit more flexible, as far as I know. I mean, I haven't monkeyed around with this too much, but I think XFCE is a bit more flexible. But just in terms of the very low resource usage, this is pretty great. So, yeah, let's sum up. So what we have is a Linux operating system built on Ubuntu LTS with the HWE kernel, no snaps or flatpaks installed for that matter, a lightweight window manager, minimal installed software but still functional, and very low memory use. So something that'd be ideal for a low memory system or even an older system, or just somebody that wants an efficient way to get around and do this stuff. And I can confirm after a couple more days of, testing, running stuff in it, installing software, and so on, it's very usable. So in answering the original title of this video, is FunOS actually fun? Yeah, I think so. Hey, if you got something out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And remember, be excellent to each other.